exam. So be careful. There are a lot of things in this. So be watchful. Starting with my wheels are chalked, transmission in neutral, both parking brakes are applied, and my truck and trailer is in a safe location. First of all, we check the ground. That my ground should be hard enough and level. We check both the sides. My ground is hard and level, where my landing gear should touch the ground. This is my landing gear. It should be in the high gear. Dropway is going down. Just touch the ground. My landing gear is just touching the ground. Handle is secure. Now come to your supply, service and electrical components. My lines are secured. Now release the release lever. It's right here. Put it from the top, not from the bottom. Put it from the top. Put it like this. Have 1 foot over here and pull it. And say, my lever is out, my pin is out. And my jaws are unlocked. Come over here. Now we are going to start the truck and move our truck so it's become free from my truck. But my trailer should be underneath my truck cases. The fifth wheel is little bit underneath the trailer, it's good. Check. My truck is not touching the trailer. My landing gear takes the weight of my cargo. Now move the truck as instructed by the examiner. Check your all lines. My both glide end looks good. No crack, no damage. Both rubbers are present. No cut, no damage. Lines have no cut, no damage. They are mounted securely. My electrical line, no cut, no damage. No crack, no damage on the plug. All 7 holes present. No rust, no dust. Also mounted properly. Secure them again. My fifth wheel looks good. No crack, no damage. All attaching parts are present. Tight and secure. Lever is out. There is no bend on the lever. I forget the 4-way. You have to turn on the 4-way, then come down. here my jaws are open. My fifth wheel looks good. All attaching parts are present. No crack, no damage, tight and secure. There's enough grease on the fifth wheel. Now I have to hook up the trailer. My way is clear. Trailer and fifth wheel height. My trailer and fifth wheel height is good. Check your components while standing here. My both glide ends. No crack, no damage. Wires, no cut, no damage. Both rubbers present. No cut, no damage. Electrical component, all 7 pins are present. No rust, no dust. Go underneath. My apron plate looks good. No crack, no damage. Kingpin, no crack, no damage, no bend. Enough grease on the apron plate. My jaws are aligned with the kingpin. Now I'm going to connect it. Check your coupling that it's secure. My lever is in and locked. My pin is in. My jaws are locked. Now connect your cable. Four-way are working. It means my electrical cable is connected properly. Now you have to raise your landing gear. The test, you have to fully raise your landing gear. Come inside and press the red. Come inside. Press the red brake right away. Turn off your four-way. Your pressure starts going down. At some point, it will come back, go down to 100, and then again it starts coming up to 100. At 100, you have to shut down your truck. Now it's 100. I'm shutting down my truck. Switch back on. Turn off any air. Listen outside for any audible leakage. No audible air leakage outside. My pressure is at 100. It means my supply lines is connected properly. Now press your service brake. Please ignore my initial drop. Now my pressure is around 98 psi. Again listen outside. There is no audible leakage outside. My gauges are stable at 98 psi. Do one more time. There is no audible leakage outside. And my gauges are stable at 98. It means my supply and service, both lines are connected properly. Pull your red brake. Tell the examiner, my coupling is done. I'll remove my wheel chocks and good to go. Thank you.